National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lenawee County, northern Monroe County, until 5 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Britain and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Azalea and Dundee around 4:20 p.m. Oakville around 4:35 p.m. Maybe around 4:45 p.m. Schofield around 4:50 p.m. Carlton around 5 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Monroe, maybe, Idaho.